No, nope, not yet. We're not doing this yet. Okay. That was 5 minutes. That was my 5 minutes. I earned that. I don't even know what I earned it from. I was asleep, but it felt important somehow. Right, so. Today is... What day is it? It's that day. The one with the thing. What's the thing? Why can't I remember the thing? I literally thought about it before I fell asleep last night, and now it's just gone. My brain has completely wiped. Oh, right. The meeting. Okay, that's fine. That's totally fine. I still have... Okay, I have less time than I thought. That's fine. I'm fine. This is fine. Actually, you know what? I'm going to lie here for exactly 2 more minutes and not think about it. These are my 2 minutes. This blanket is really good right now. Like, genuinely excellent. It's the right weight, the right temperature, like being held by something that expects absolutely nothing from me. I should appreciate this more. This is a privilege. Okay, here's the thing. Here's what's happening. My body knows it has to get up. My brain knows it has to get up. We are all in agreement. And yet, nobody is moving. It's like when everyone in a group chat says, "Yeah, let's meet up," and then nobody actually sets a date. Full agreement. Zero follow-through. I think I need to negotiate with myself. I do this sometimes. Okay, if I get up right now, I can have the good coffee. Not the instant stuff, the real coffee. That's a real reason. That's something worth getting up for. Is it, though? Let me think. Yes it is. Coffee is a valid reason to function. I'm doing it. Okay, I just got distracted because I remembered something embarrassing from 2019. It just appeared, out of nowhere, like, "Hi, remember this?" Yeah, that. Why does my brain do this? What is the biological reason for replaying old embarrassing moments at 7 a.m.? I would like to speak to whoever designed this system. Okay, let it go. Let it go. That was 2019. Nobody remembers it. Everybody was embarrassing in 2019. That was just the global vibe. Gone. I'm letting it go. Okay, new topic. Something good. Think of something good. Lunch. I'm having leftovers from last night, and honestly, I've been low-key thinking about them since like 10 p.m. That counts? That's something. Some people have big dreams. I have yesterday's rice, and honestly, that's fine. All right, I'm motivated. Sort of. Motivated adjacent. Okay, 1, 2, 2.5. No, we're not doing that. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow. The world is very vertical right now. I forgot about that. Okay, I'm up. I'm a person. I exist in space. I'm going to make coffee and have a normal day and not think about 2019 anymore. That's the plan. It's not a great plan, but it's mine. And honestly, for 7 a.m., it's enough. Okay, so that was my morning. And now that I'm standing here waiting for coffee, I'm thinking about some of the words I used just now. Not in a let me teach you something way, just in a, I actually said that way. Like, I said my brain was completely wiped. Wiped. As in, gone, erased, nothing left. That's actually a word I use a lot. After a long day, I'm wiped. After a bad night's sleep, my brain is wiped. It just means emptied out, used up. And then I said, full agreement, zero follow-through. Follow-through is when you actually do the thing you said you were gonna do, like the part after the intention. And apparently I have great intentions and very poor follow-through before 8 a.m. Noted. I said I got distracted, which, yeah, obviously. I was on my way to getting up, and then suddenly 2019 showed up uninvited. Distracted just means your attention got pulled somewhere you didn't plan to go, which is basically just being a person with a brain. I asked what the biological reason was for all of this. Biological meaning related to how your body works, the science of it. I was being sarcastic, obviously. But it's still useful, like, there's probably a biological explanation for why I crave sugar when I'm tired, that kind of thing. I said I was low-key excited about leftovers. Low-key is one of those words that's weirdly hard to explain, but you know it when you feel it. It's like, quietly, a little bit, without making a huge deal out of it. Like, I'm low-key proud of myself for getting out of bed today. Honestly, that counts too. And then, commitment. I made a commitment to count to 3 and actually get up. A commitment is basically a promise, usually to another person, but apparently also to yourself at 7 a.m. when you're trying to leave your own bed. That's it. That's what I said to myself this morning. A bunch of very normal words inside a very normal internal meltdown on a very normal day. Okay, coffee's ready.
Oh, and one more thing. Pick any word from today, just one, and drop a sentence in the comments. Your own sentence, your own morning, whatever comes to mind. I read every single one, and honestly, seeing how you use these words is the best part of doing this. If you also talk to yourself like this before getting up, first of all, same. Second of all, there's more where this came from. New episodes every week, just like this one. You can subscribe so you don't miss the next internal meltdown. It's free. It takes 2 seconds. And honestly, it's probably the lowest commitment you'll make all day.